guys, I'm Kimberly Jolly from Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm excited to show you our August 2020 Sew Sampler box. So let's look in it. The very first thing you're going to see is our cute little sign, and that gives you a little hint of what's in the box. So in the box, the first item you get are 2 Backyard Blooms charm packs by Allison Harris of Cluck Cluck Sew for Wyndham Fabrics. The second item you get are the 5-inch brand new Crazy Paper by Lori Holt for Riley Blake Designs. And the Crazy Daisy pattern that we have included in the box uses the Crazy Paper as the center of the stars. We've also included an assortment of quilting between needles, which are great for binding. And we have the brand new Kimberly cut 6-inch mat that will work great for your lovely charm packs. And we also have track 5 in our greatest hits quilt. This Crazy Daisy pattern is beautiful. It comes with full color instructions, 2 size options, and it's only available in the Sew Sampler box. We hope you love what was in the August 2020 Sew Sampler box. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll get to see what's in our September box.